Hey everyone, if you're looking for a Bitget referral code and want to unlock extra sign-up bonuses on Bitget, click the link in the description. On the sign-up page, you'll see a field called Referral Code. Make sure you enter the code XEX2 before you continue, because once the account is created, you can't apply it later. Bitget is a global crypto exchange known for its clean interface, strong security, and deep liquidity. You get access to spot trading, futures trading, copy trading, trading bots, and earning products, all in one app. If you sign up without a referral code, the Bitget Rewards Hub is very basic. But when the referral code is active, the Rewards Hub fully unlocks. You'll see extra vouchers, higher value bonuses, better trading rewards, and a higher total reward amount at the top. After creating your account, open the Rewards Hub and complete simple tasks like identity verification, your first deposit, or a small trading volume. Once verified, you can fully use all Bitget features and claim your new user rewards. So if you're planning to trade crypto, use the link below and start on Bitget with extra rewards.